Okay, working on the Afterburner Deluxe 20-inch tube. Here it is right here. Here's the setup. We've got the Rejuvenator unit here. There's a cable that comes off here with the adapter. So there is an online resource for these numbers. Most of the time when you pick one of these up, it will come with the manual. So this particular tube was there. So you're finding your heater voltage, which will key into the unit, and that's your adapter number. So we're set to off here, and step one is you'll go to setup. Okay, and there we go. So this knob will adjust your heater voltage, and that's where we got the 6.3. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. Zoom on in. So that's where we got the 6.3 number, and we are just above it. So we'll dial it back a little bit. Okay, and then G1. Now the manual says all voltage will be at 50 unless denoted by an asterisk. So you get those numbers from this book, or again that website does show you your voltages too. So we're set for 50. So with those set, the next thing to do is to rotate this to set cutoff. So we're on set cutoff. The needles move a little bit again, and these knobs will set your cutoffs, and you're looking to adjust to the first hash mark. So that's at the first hash mark. That's at the first hash mark. When you first turn it on, they might be down. They might jump up above, but these were all pretty low. So that's on it, and the blue is on it. Okay, so we're all set there. Now that that's done, you go to test, and pull back here. You can see in real time. We're going to rotate, and we're into test. You will get leakage indications if there are problems with the voltage leaking. The next thing we will do is try and restore. Attempt the clean and balance first. We're going to rotate this to restore. Okay, we'll start with the blue. Mash that down. And you hold this till you hit the red. Manual says you do it till you hit 0.2 actually, which that fell down there pretty quick toward the end. This one's jumping all over the place. That's all the way down, and here we go on this gun here. These are your three guns, red, green, blue. Okay, and then with that done, we can go back to test. Now we got some different readings here in test. Blue's not looking so hot. We'll adjust our cutoffs again since we made some changes. Back to the first hash mark. Back to the first hash mark. And first hash mark. And we'll go to restore again. Oh, sorry, we're in test. There's restore. Oh, look at this. G1K short. So the button just below that, you hit that to remove shorts, and you wait 5 seconds between hitting that. So you hit it, see if the flash goes away, wait a few seconds, hit it again. So I hit it once, I turned it to restore. You wait about 20 seconds. After I did wait about 20 seconds, that quit. I hit that once, it flashed. I'll hit it again now. You see it flash again. So we'll see. We're on clean and balance still, and we'll try another round of clean and balance. Okay, that looked a little better. Green's looking pretty rough there. Okay, and now we're back to test. It's looking okay. We're gonna go back to cutoff, and green's up way too high now. All right, first hash, first hash, first hash. And let's see where we're at now on test. That looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. Everything's solidly in the green. Okay, well, after a little bit of futzing about with the inputs and pots and things like that, it looks like this monitor is doing a lot better. It's not perfect. It could use a degauss as well, which is controlled by a different board in this cabinet. There's no way for me to do that here, but it's a lot better. The only problem, the biggest problem I'm seeing now is the width, which is sort of a weird pot on this chassis, so I've got to look into how to fix that. These patterns are being generated, I should mention, by this board here, which is really great. It's not expensive. I think it's, I don't know, maybe 40 bucks, 30 bucks, I don't know. Pretty affordable, very lightweight, you know, very unobtrusive. You can see where to get it here, PCBjunkie.net. Runs out a little battery, it's portable, you can take it with you. Chuck it into the back of a cabinet somewhere, you know. Really good for repairs, so I like that little board. That's that. Now that that's all going though, I really just want to plug in that Afterburner board and see how it looks on this screen. So I'm going to pause this and we'll take a look at it. Check it out. We got a mostly working thing now. Horizontal still out of whack. Needs a degauss. Brightness is, I guess, okay. There's some geometry problems, so maybe some caps or something here or there. But tube's looking much better, so the Rejuvenator has done its job. Another step closer to the Deluxe being in a working state.